Hi, this is Mr. Pablo, and today you're going to learn about probability scale. Now, what's a probability scale? Well, this is a scale to start with. Let me just bring out my pen. Alright. Okay, so a probability scale only works between 0 and 1. Now, when we say a probability is 0, then something is impossible to happen. Okay. So things like the sun will rise on the west, that is impossible to happen. That's not going to happen. And if the probability of an event or a situation that's going to happen is equal to 1, then that is certainly going to happen. Okay. For example, I am really sure that at some point tonight I am going to sleep. Okay, because everybody does that. Now, but most probabilities, okay, most events or most situations work around 0 and 1. Not all the time it's impossible, and not all the time it's certain. Okay, so let's work somewhere here exactly in the middle, which is 1/2. Equivalent of that is 0.5, and a lot of books will say it's 50-50 chance of happening. All right, of something happening. Okay, what's an example of that? Perhaps if you go outside today and then you see that the weather is not very sunny but also not very dark, you can say that there's a 50-50% chance that it will rain today or it will not rain today. Okay, now we can still further do something about this. What about the events or the situations that are in between impossible and 50-50? Then we call them situations that are unlikely to happen, or the probability is very unlikely or unlikely. Okay, when we say very unlikely, it is nearly zero. It is nearly impossible to happen. And what about the events or situations that are between 50-50 and certain? Then we say those events are likely to happen. Okay, likely to happen, or if it's really close to certainly going to happen, then we say that that is very likely to happen. Okay, so that ends the video. Thank you very much for watching, and hope you've learned something about probability scale.